Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple Christmas gift, a DIY waist apron. Last year on this channel, I showed you how to make a reversible apron. I'm wearing it now and I'll overlay some footage of it as well. That makes for a really great Christmas gift. This year, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple half apron. This is really great for those women in your life that you don't know what to get a gift for. So maybe a grandma, mother-in-law, someone newly married, something like that. Perfect because it has a pocket if you need to collect eggs or veggies in the spring or summer. Next summer, I'm already looking forward to the warmer months. So let's dive in. It's super simple. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share some more great gift ideas that you can DIY for Christmas, even last minute. For this project, you're going to need about 1.5 yards of 44-inch wide fabric. I like to use something lightweight, like cotton or linen. The fabric that I'm using today, I found at a thrift shop, super cheap. So you could also, if you're at Goodwill or a thrift shop, make sure to look for large tablecloths. Those are really pretty for a project like this, or a sheet. It's an inexpensive way to make several. To begin, cut out the pieces. So for the straps, cut out 2 pieces 50 inches long by 5 inches wide. For the main piece, cut out a rectangle 28 inches wide by 20 inches long. And then for the pocket piece, cut out 1 piece 20 inches wide by 12 inches long. To begin, prepare the strap pieces. So on one of the 50-inch long by 5-inch wide pieces, fold one edge 1/2 inch over to the wrong side, and then fold it in half lengthwise all the way down, right sides together, and sew a 1/4 inch seam. At this point, you'll just leave both ends open. Use a large safety pin to turn it right side out. And then top stitch all down the long side that you sewed and then across the top to finish off where you left open. You can leave the other end open because it'll get tucked into the hem of the apron on the side. Repeat with the other long 50-inch by 5-inch strap piece. Next, press all 4 sides of the main piece over 1/2 inch and then another 1/2 inch. And sew a 1/2 inch hem on both long sides. We're leaving the short sides open at this point so that you can tuck the long strap pieces, the raw edge of the long strap pieces, inside the short edges. And then sew down the short sides, catching the straps flush with the top corner of the main apron piece. Repeat with the other strap piece and then sew a 1/2 inch hem down the short sides of the apron. To make the sides pull away from the main piece and not stay tucked in. So I'm just gonna pull it out and add 2 tiny top stitches. Next, prepare the pocket piece by pressing all 4 sides over 1/2 inch and then another 1/2 inch to hide the raw edges inside. And then sew a 1/2 inch hem along one of the long sides. This will be the top of the pocket. Next, center the pocket piece on the main apron piece. and sew down the 2 long sides where you pressed and then the bottom where you also pressed. So the 3 sides other than the top, of course, because that will be the opening. Make sure to back and forward stitch at the beginning and end. Next, find the center and sew a line down the center. This will just make it to where it's 2 small pockets as opposed to 1 large pocket. Now you can jazz these up by adding a ruffle to the bottom or personalizing them if you have an embroidery machine like I do, or just keep it really simple. Make a bunch of these for all of the women in your life that you don't know what to get a gift for. Keep it simple. They're so easy, fast, and inexpensive. I'm going to leave a whole list of gift ideas from the Farmhouse on Boone blog down in the description box below. To give you a few ideas, I have a full apron tutorial like I showed you already. I have a pinafore apron. Those are another beautiful gift idea. I also have some homemade body products with printable labels, such as body butter, which is great for winter, lip balm, sugar scrubs, vanilla is another good one. I have all of those tutorials and labels. I also put together in a video last year a gift basket that you could make with all of those things. So if you have a day where you have all the supplies and you just batch work it, you can get together a bunch of these baskets for people on your list. It's a very thoughtful gift, not just something you can buy anywhere. Another idea is my linen and ruffle throw blanket. A popular pillow from the blog is the grain sack and ticking stripe pillow covers. So if you have a farmhouse decor loving person on your list, that'd be a great thing to make for them as well. Again, I will leave more ideas down in the description box. I hope that you are enjoying your Christmas season and that you will be able to make some wonderful gifts for people on your list, handmade straight from your home. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so that you can be alerted every time I make a new video. I make at least 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.